Hello, my name is Benjamin Jacob Whistler. Most of my friends and family call me Jake. I'd like to introduce you to a new business I'm starting in the Fox Valley area. It's a coffee and espresso trailer. What the name of it's going to be is Benjamin Brewer. I'd like to invite you on the journey as I get this business off the ground. What do you say? You want to go take a look at the trailer? Well, here we are. We're out here at the trailer. I'm going to show you what it looks like. There she is, 1960 Shasta Airflyte. She's a real beauty. Show you around here. This is what it's going to start off to look like. I'll flip up a little picture in the quick drawing that we did. Just to show you kind of what the plan is to what it's supposed to look like. Take a little tour inside. Follow along and kind of open your ears to see what our plan might be. So it's already pretty gutted out on the inside, which is real nice. There's the dog. So what we're envisioning is this front here. You can have sinks along here, maybe back shelf around here, espresso machine, coffee grinder, drip coffee, back shelf for supplies. In this area here, what I'm going to do is open it up, completely open it up for a serving window. I'm going to move the door off to the left and have a nice counter right across here. Should turn out pretty nice. Can't wait to bring it to you guys. What we're going to do is every week I'll give you a little update video. I'm going to show you step by step the process of getting this up and running. Alright, we're back. Thanks for taking that little tour with me out to the trailer. I'd like to keep updating this site with videos and pictures of the progress of getting this coffee and espresso trailer up and running. And I just really appreciate you taking the time, and remember to like and share this to kind of get the word out there. Remember, the name of the trailer is going to be Benjamin Brewer, and I appreciate it. So thanks again. Bye.